Morning brewers, Gary here from VOC Home Brewery, doing another shortish vid, just all set up, just waiting for the kettle to come up to strike temp. We're brewing a David Heath Kolsch recipe, I think that's how you say it, this morning. So it's 7 o'clock, about 7 o'clock in the morning, Sunday 2nd of Feb. So yeah, it's just telling me to come to temp. So all the grains are in there. I've just given them a spray with water. So hi brewers, Gary from VOC Home Brewery here this morning, about 7:30 or so, or 7:45 on a Sunday morning. We're brewing away nicely, just in the mash-in stage. We're brewing a David Heath Kolsch recipe. It doesn't say it on there. Just on the first mash step. Levels in the kettle and malt pipe are pretty darn good, to be honest. They're the best they've been. They've not dropped too much at all. Only a couple of inches between them. And they've got the pump up to 30 odd percent, 37%, and you can see the side lever is probably at round about 20 past the hour mark, recircling through quite strongly. So yeah, check back a little bit later on in the brewing process. Cheers. Hi brewers, most of the way into the mash here, just got 5 minutes of the 60-minute mash left. Levels have been in the malt pipe, been in the kettle, have been pretty good, to be honest. You can't see much there. The water's gone really clear. You can see it on the top there, just about really clear. Pipe doesn't make much out. You can't really see much there, but yeah, not too long left now. Quite reasonably happy with the way this is going. Not been the easiest of brew days. A few technical things at the beginning, but not too bad. Hoping I get the mash, actually the sparging done with this thing going into there. That's the plan. Hopefully this is my 5th brew, so hopefully it'll be 5th time lucky with getting it to work properly. I'll take a vid if I get it working properly. I'll take another vid when that happens. Right, see you in a bit. Hi brewers, just started to sparge, and hurrah, 5th time of asking. It's sparging this way. Oops, sorry about that. Door open. There's steam. Yeah, things haven't gone too bad overall. A few little issues, but yeah, it's working okay from there into that. That's how I have the lever set there. That's what it says to do. So it's going quite quick, really. I think I'll turn the pump down a bit. So if it's going a bit steadier. Yeah, so oh blimey, it's nearly done already. Right, I'll see you shortly. Brewers, back again. Most of the way through the boil. Got 10 minutes before we put the 10-minute additions in. Then there's some 0 minutes to go in. It's absolutely boiling its head off. Got it running at 80%. Oh, you can see in there it's bubbling, probably a bit too much. Just turn it down and stuff, but I think it's because of the Pilsner malt, to be honest, that this recipe is based on. The mash was quite frothy. That's alright now and there. It is boiling its head off, you can't really see it, but it is boiling really vigorously, which is good. Kill all the bugs off. So yeah, right, I'll come back on later when we got it a bit further along in the process. You can see the bucket there that's dripping in. That's the little bit of condensed steam going into the old bucket there. So yeah, everything's going okay today, really. See you in a bit. Hi brewers, just coming to the end of the hop stand dash whirlpool. It is actually spinning. Never looks like it's spinning quick in there, but you watch it from where I am and it is spinning quick. Yeah, it went from 100 degrees to 80 degrees in 2 minutes, and I think I used round about 7.5 litres of cold water to kind of cool it down in that short time. Just fantastic. Yeah, so it's gone quite well. Be cooling it to 20 degrees and chucking it in the fermenter very shortly. So that's about it for this one. Cheers, see you on the next one. Right, quick wrap up video. That's the trub and muck cone, just about to start draining it out now. I think I'll have to get some of that out by hand. It's not really draining out as it usually does, so I just think it's a bit blocked. It's been quite a gritty brew day, this one. So yeah, that's going to be it on this one. I'll be brewing again in a week or so, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.